Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another package to show you, and this one is a batch of mini discs. You'll see. Oh shit. Okay. Gonna open it from here right now, from the top. Let's try. Boom. Okay. Tape on the side, tape on the side. Tape on the side. What is this? A love note? No. Nice. Nice. So these I've been trying to get for a while. Definitely one of the sets. These are TDK MJs, or the music jacks. I like these just because they have like a orangish, chromish disc. Yeah, it's like gold, embry. They're really clean, very clean. Very cool music jacks. Check this out. Get to look at it a little bit. A little worn, you could tell. Some fingerprints. Not gonna expect anything too crazy nice, but they are still in really nice condition. Yeah. These are just so pretty. So cool. These are colorful. I've been trying to collect more colorful discs throughout my hobby life, career, whatever you want to call it. Fun, colorful discs that aren't too boring. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to label these, but I do want to have some of these just in the collection. I'm either putting music on it or not. I just want to be able to have just some nice, somewhat uncommon. I don't want to call them rare, but they are kind of getting more and more uncommon. Like I say that with every other disc I open. Well, that was it, guys. This was the TDK Music Jack 74. I forgot which generation this was, but there is another generation where there's a front clear panel, I think, and you could see the disc better, or in like in a more, they're more clear versus the colored front that we see here. These kind of have a colored tint to them. There were many generations of this music jack, so don't know which generation this one is exactly. Again, but they're still really pretty, and they're kind of worth collecting to me. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out.